Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make a simple periscope. Periscopes are optical instruments utilizing mirrors or prisms to allow observation from a concealed or submerged position. Take a cardboard, mark length 50 cm, mark 5 cm and make 10 squares. For width, take 20 cm and mark 5 cm 4 squares. You will get total 40 squares. Now mark it from numbers 1 to 40. I have taken 5 cm because my mirror's width is 4.5 cm. Always take 0.5 cm extra of width. The length of my mirror is 6 cm. I have marked a cross on numbers 2, 22, 32, 33, 9, 18, 19 and 29. Now with the help of a cutter, cut the outline. Children, please do this under adult supervision or ask for your parents' help. If you want to learn how to make a periscope template, visit my channel or click the link given in the I button. Now cut out the marked numbers. Here I am marking with black marker the part which we need to fold. Mark the line under number 1, 11, 21, 3 to 7, 13 to 17, 24 to 28 and left vertical line of number 13 and right vertical line of number 33. Using a cutter, lightly score the part that needs to be folded. Now fold it. Now with the help of a sellotape, seal the edges. Now with the help of a masking tape, seal the edges so no light can pass through. The width of my mirror is 4.5 cm and length is 6 cm. We have to place this mirror at 45 degrees. Here I am marking at 4.5 on both sides. Now draw a line as shown here. Now with the help of cutter, cut this part to slide the mirror. Children, please take your parents' help. After cutting, carefully slide in the mirrors. Here I have covered the whole periscope model with masking tape and later colored it. Cover the mirror edges with masking tape. Make sure everything is secure. Now look through the bottom hole, and just like that you can see objects. This works because light reflects off the mirror. bounces down to the second mirror and then travels to your eye. And that's how you make a simple periscope. Thanks for watching and have fun experimenting with light and reflections. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and comment. Bye!
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.